Welcome back to Tech Vibes. In this video we're fixing a PS5 that is not connecting to Wi-Fi. Place your PS5 on a stable surface where you can easily access the buttons and ports. Make sure the PS5 is fully powered on and on the home screen. On your PS5 controller, select Settings and go to Network. Choose Test Internet Connection to confirm the PS5 Wi-Fi issue. If your PS5 fails the Wi-Fi test, don't worry, we'll go step by step. First, let's restart the PS5 to refresh the Wi-Fi hardware. Press the PS5 power button and hold it until you hear one beep, then a second beep. This will turn off the PS5 completely. Once the PS5 is off, unplug the power cable from the PS5. Leave the PS5 unplugged for at least 60 seconds. During this time, go to your Wi-Fi router. Turn off your router by pressing the power button. Unplug your router from the wall for 60 seconds as well. After 60 seconds, plug your router back in and let it fully restart. Now plug the PS5 power cable back in. Turn on the PS5 and wait until the home screen loads. Go back to Settings Network on the PS5. Select Settings Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list on the PS5 screen. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully to avoid connection errors. Run Test Internet Connection again on the PS5. If your PS5 still won't connect to Wi-Fi, we'll check the signal strength next. Move your PS5 closer to your Wi-Fi router if possible. Avoid walls, metal objects, or microwave interference near the PS5. On the PS5, open Network and then view connection status. If the signal strength is low, your PS5 may be too far from the router. If moving the PS5 is not an option, consider using the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. On your PS5, select your 2.4 GHz network manually if available. Run the PS5 Test Internet Connection again. If the PS5 is still not connecting to Wi-Fi, we'll manually assign the DNS. On the PS5, open Network Settings Set up Internet Connection. Select your Wi-Fi network and choose Advanced Settings. Change DNS settings on the PS5 to manual. For primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8. For secondary DNS, enter 8.8.4.4. Save the settings and test the PS5 connection again. If this still doesn't fix the PS5 Wi-Fi issue, we'll refresh network drivers in safe mode. Turn off the PS5 completely by holding power until you hear 2 beeps. Once the PS5 is off, press and hold the power button again. Keep holding until you hear the second beep to enter safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller with a USB cable to the PS5. Use the controller and select option number 5, Rebuild Database. Let the PS5 rebuild the database. This may take several minutes. Once done, the PS5 will restart normally to the home screen. Open Network Settings on the PS5 again and test the connection. If the PS5 still will not connect to Wi-Fi, we try one more physical check. Power off the PS5 completely. Unplug the power cable from the PS5 once more. Carefully remove the right side panel of the PS5. Locate the PS5 internal Wi-Fi antenna cable near the fan area. Check that the PS5 Wi-Fi antenna cable is firmly connected in place. If it looks loose, gently push it to secure the connection. Reattach the PS5 side panel carefully. Plug the power cable back into the PS5. Turn on the PS5 and wait for the home screen. Open Network Settings and connect to your Wi-Fi once again. Run the Test Internet Connection on the PS5 to confirm the fix. If your PS5 now connects to Wi-Fi, you're good to go. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Like and subscribe for more PS5 fix tutorials.